If you've lost access to your Wells Fargo account due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access. This process will help you secure your account and restore your access. Step 1. Contact customer service. Reach out to Wells Fargo's customer service by calling the number on the back of your debit or credit card or visiting their official website for contact information. Explain your situation and request assistance in regaining access to your account. Step 2. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Follow instructions. Follow the instructions provided by the customer service representative. They may guide you through steps to reset your password or unlock your account. Make sure to take notes on any important information they provide. Step 4. Update security settings. Once you regain access, update your security settings. Change your password to a strong, unique one and enable two-factor authentication if available. This will help protect your account from future suspicious activity. Step 5. Monitor your account. Regularly monitor your account for any unusual transactions or activity. Set up alerts for transactions and review your statements frequently to ensure your account remains secure. By following these steps, you can regain access to your Wells Fargo account and enhance its security. Always stay vigilant to protect your financial information.